Going to the farm.
Are you excited to go to the farm?
Yes.
How are you gonna act at the farm?
I just see the horse
The horses and what else?
and the sheep.
The sheep and what else?
The cow.
The cows. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I going all the way to the farm.
Are you excited to go to the farm?
Yeah.
Who's going to the farm with us?
590.
Ooh, who else? All these little Haitians, huh?
We're not Haitians.
Ooh, your tongue is yellow. Were you eating Cheetos? Ew.
I was eating Cheetos.
Yeah. Was it yummy?
Yeah. Down, don't move. Down, don't move. Down.
What song is that? How make? What sound does a pig make?
Oink.
What sound does a horse make?
Sound that the bacon make. Yummy.
What about a sheep?
Ba, ba.
What about the chicken? Ooh. What else is at the farm? The goat?
Yeah.
What else?
A cow.
Yeah, what about the big dogs? What sound does the dog make?
Ruff.
Ruff, that's it?
He can bite me.
The dog going to bite you in the face?
Yeah.
No!
Yeah, and I'll bleed.
You're gonna bleed?
Yeah.
That would be bad. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want to get bitten by a dog.
Yeah. Everybody, look at this top.
What are you doing?
It has so much lip. And this water show. And make sure you watch this video. I know.
Dog looks super.
Bonsoir, oui.
Why are you saying me?
Are those chicken, Lainey?
Yeah.
You like the chickens?
They're eating me. They're eating me.
You saying hi to the goats?
Hi, girl.
Oh, yeah. You want to touch it? Go. Go.
That's good. See, she's scared.
Go, Lainey. You got it.
Technically, one of them more wild.
Yeah.
Full of dogs. Oh my God, got the
Where?
tail.
See, he's not scared. See the eggs?
Oh my God, see, come for me and
Right
just
there.
dog poo.
Oh yeah.
See the eggs on the ground?
No dog.
Eggs in the universe eggs. See, he's not scared, man.
Hi.
Lala.
There's so much flies. Why are you doing this?
so much
What that boy doing to me?
Jackson, move out the way so the goat can come back in. Goat can come back in.
The boy is rounding up the goat.
Keep me away from the goat.
It's doing it.
Ew. That looks so disgusting.
Look, Sammy. What are you smiling for, girl? I don't know if it's a girl or boy.
Come on, let's go get Jackson. Let's go get Jackson. Let's go get Jackson. Go get Jackson. Go get Jackson. Why are you scared?
What, that one right
That's a
there?
goat.
No, that one right
Got that goat
Oh.
there.
What's the difference?
Look at that.
Lainey,
That's
how
the
do you
dog
feel?
like. Mommy, that's the dog.
Yeah, you love it? Really?
She is.
How do you feel, Naili ST?
I love it. Those dogs look so
That dog likes
pretty,
you so
and I'm just gonna have to clean my shoes
That
again.
dog likes you so much.
Oh well.
Oh well.
Why are you stepping on me?
Lily, you wanna pet the dog? That dog likes me.
You just love the dog.
This dog likes
Dogs
me.
are so...
I really like the dog.
I love the dog.
Get a dog, Jacob?
I want to get a dog.
But my mom kept
I
saying,
want you to get a dog so
maybe
whenever I
in
can
the
just
sky.
go to your house and go see
maybe
it.
in the sky you'll get a dog.
Maybe in the sky.
Hi, dog.
See how you whipping it, Fikey?
Hi, doggy.
Why can't you drive like that?
Happy. You
It's a tractor.
College boy?
Tractor like
You like the farm college boy?
this is-
This your home?
Yeah, I'm used to it.
You used to the farm? Yeah. Lainey, you used to the farm?
I don't remember how to drive.
Aww.
You don't like it.
Yeah.
You know how to cook? You know how to cook the cow? Or you know how to eat the cow? Eat the skin? Did you eat all of it? You left me some?
Lila, why you running?
Who's a better cook, you or her?
Let it touch it.
It's not gonna hurt
Touch
you.
it. Touch it.
You're gonna make it run after you.
Be quiet, Jackson, go to
Lainey, you should have wear your boots.
Yeah.
What happened? Why didn't you wear your boots today?
Wait, there's no dog poop.
Yeah, the girl's going next to you.
My princess is right here. She'll protect me.
They look like watermelon, but they not.
They not.
They will hard.
Look.
They what?
They will hard.
Bingo.
Oh, wow.
They piggy melon.
But I think there's a watermelon. See?
Oh, wow.
Bingo.
But they smell watermelon.
Yeah.
Eat it. Eat it.
You
I
want to
think,
try?
there's one that I'm gonna get.
Bingo. Ah. Bingo. 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 Every dog my dad gave it away. Guy, eat it.
You never had a wild one.
You guys gonna have these memories forever. Forever.
Why you spit it? Huh?
How is it? It's good.
Ew.
Pearson, it must be good. Look at your mouth.
Yeah, I say nasty, but I still have to eat it.
You guys also say thank you. To the president, say thank you.
You want your son watermelon?
All you gotta do is feed him something.
Si tu te vas a meter melon dans tes bagages, tu vas voir.
They should, you don't like it.
When t'as bien mangé watermelon, non, c'est comme ça.
Oh, it's pink.
Oh,
Yeah, over 80.
that's what I said.
Yeah, how do you keep tracks of them? You know them? He's the owner. He know his goats.
They will eat it.
We just throw them
Yeah, you
in?
can throw it, then they will eat it.
Wow.
I don't want to
Nah,
hit
they will eat
nobody.
it.
Yeah, you don't want to smack one in the head.
That's all.
Where's Denny?
Walk away.
Wow.
Qui vient y a manger là, mais.
Non, on reste bien dedans.
Who did that?
What you don't worry about around here is the snakes. If there were snakes.
There's snakes.
No, I said if there was. What am I doing? Crocodile.
No, don't leave me. Take me with you.
A meal.
What is this?
A wheel.
Put it together. Meals on wheels.
No, don't leave me. Take me with you.